Modification of door frame width. INVADO adjustable door frames have a possibility to modify the width of wall clasping. The standard width of the exemplary door frame is equal to between 75 mm and 94 mm. With usage of an angle bar with a 20 mm longer inset strip purchased separately, it is possible to increase the width of the door frame from 95 to 114 mm. For purposes of installation on a narrow wall, the width of the door frame can be decreased by 15 mm by cutting off elements of the inset strip and the door frame in points marked with a slight milling on the inner side. The video shows how to change the width of the adjustable door frame. Expanding the width of the door frame. Remove the masking angle bar from the first element of the door frame, located on the opposite side of the seal. Increasing the width of the door frame consists in replacement of the angle bar for a non-standard one, with a longer inset strip. Insert the new angle bar into the door frame as a test. Repeat all of the procedures for the remaining two parts of the door frame. If all of the elements fit together, the door frame may be installed in the wall. Decreasing the width of the door frame. Remove the masking angle bar from the first element of the door frame, located on the opposite side of the seal. Place the door frame elements on a secured substrate in such a way that milled spots are visible on the inner side. Milling marks are the spots where the user may cut off a 15 mm part of the door frame with a cutting blade. The cut should be done both for the door frame and for the angle bar as well. After the cutting, insert the angle bar to the door frame as a test. Repeat all of the procedures for the remaining two elements of the door frame. After decreasing the width, the door frame is ready to be installed in the wall.